This is China's Wushan Highway, one of the world's most dangerous roads. Built hundreds of meters high on mountain cliffs, this highway is a life or death challenge for drivers. Today we'll see its mind-blowing view from a drone. This highway connects Chongqing to Hubei and was built in the 1970s, carved manually through mountains. It's also called the Heavenly Road, but every turn here could be deadly. One mistake can send you straight into the valley. These drone shots will show you how tunnels were cut through mountains and how cars drive on these hanging sections. While adventure lovers dream of driving here, rain and snow make it even more dangerous. The government is now building new tunnels. To reduce risks on this historic route, would you dare to drive on Wushan Highway? Comment below. If you like videos of such amazing roads, don't forget to like and subscribe.